We have gathered reviews from all over the internet to provide you with the most comprehensive and detailed overview of the Zigzagger men's slip-on moccasin slippers, indoor-outdoor warm fuzzy comfy house shoes, fluffy wide loafer slippers. If you own this product, please leave a review in the comments to help others make an informed decision. Remember, the link to the product is in the description, and using it supports the channel. The Zigzagger men's slip-on moccasin slippers have quickly become a standout in the men's footwear category, holding a top spot as #3 in men's slippers and ranking #1, 268 in clothing, shoes, and jewelry. With over 37,000 customer ratings and an impressive average of 4.4 out of 5 stars, these slippers have captured the attention of countless users seeking comfort, warmth, and durability in a house shoe. The slippers are designed with a classic moccasin silhouette, featuring detailed stitching that adds a touch of style, making them suitable for both indoor lounging and quick trips outdoors. The outer sole is crafted from a durable rubber material that offers excellent traction, ensuring stability whether you are walking on hardwood floors, carpet, or stepping outside to grab the mail or take out the trash. This versatile design is one of the most frequently praised aspects of the slippers, as users appreciate not having to change footwear for brief outdoor tasks. One of the defining features of the Zigzagger slippers is the memory foam cushioning. Multiple reviewers have highlighted how the foam molds perfectly to the shape of their feet, creating a custom-fit feel that enhances comfort throughout the day. This memory foam not only provides immediate softness, but also offers sustained support, making the slippers suitable for extended wear. The inner lining of the slippers is made from a plush faux fur material that delivers warmth and coziness, especially valued during colder months. Many users have commented on how the fleece lining keeps their feet warm on chilly mornings, making these slippers a go-to choice for those living in colder climates or simply seeking extra comfort at home. Fit and sizing are important considerations for any footwear, and the Zigzagger slippers have received mixed feedback in this area. Some users initially found the slippers to be tight or snug upon first wear, particularly those with wider feet. However, the consensus is that the slippers tend to break in over time. After about 2 weeks of continuous use, the material relaxes and conforms to the wearer's foot, resulting in a more comfortable and personalized fit. In some cases, users noted that after several months of use, the slippers became slightly loose, which is a common occurrence with many types of memory foam footwear. For those with wide feet or those who prefer wearing socks with their slippers, it is generally recommended to order your true size, as the break-in period will eventually yield a comfortable fit. Durability is another key factor that sets the Zigzagger slippers apart. The rubber sole is consistently praised for its resilience and ability to withstand frequent use both indoors and outdoors. Reviewers have reported that the soles remain intact and provide solid grip even after months of daily wear. The stitching and overall construction of the slippers contribute to their longevity, making them a worthwhile investment for those seeking footwear that will last beyond a single season. Despite the overwhelmingly positive feedback, there are a few areas where users have expressed concerns. One common issue is the inner lining, which some users found to bunch up or shift after several weeks of heavy use. This can affect the overall comfort and appearance of the slippers, though it does not seem to impact their warmth or functionality. Additionally, the faux fur lining, while soft and cozy, may not be as breathable as natural materials, which could be a consideration for those who tend to overheat or have sensitive skin. In terms of aesthetics, the Zigzagger slippers strike a balance between classic and contemporary. The moccasin design, combined with subtle stitching details, ensures that the slippers look refined enough for casual wear around the house, but not overly flashy. This makes them a versatile option for a wide range of users, from those seeking understated comfort to individuals who appreciate a touch of style in their loungewear. The slippers are available in various colors, allowing users to choose a pair that best matches their personal taste or home attire. Affordability is another major advantage of the Zigzagger slippers. Many reviewers have emphasized that, given the quality of materials, comfort features, and durability, these slippers represent excellent value for the price. They're often described as an absolute steal, providing a level of comfort and utility that rivals more expensive brands. For budget-conscious shoppers or those looking for a reliable gift, the Zigzagger slippers are a compelling choice. Performance-wise, the slippers excel in providing all-day comfort and support. The memory foam insole absorbs impact and reduces pressure on the feet, making them suitable for individuals who spend long hours standing or walking around the house. The non-slip rubber sole further enhances safety, particularly for those with hardwood or tile floors. The slippers are lightweight, weighing just over a pound per pair, which adds to their overall comfort and ease of use. Cleaning and maintenance are straightforward, though it is advisable to follow the manufacturer's care instructions to preserve the integrity of the memory foam and faux fur lining. Spot cleaning with a damp cloth is typically sufficient for most stains, while the durable sole can be wiped clean after outdoor use. Some users have successfully machine washed the slippers on a gentle cycle, but this may affect the longevity of the materials over time. The slippers are designed for men, but the wide loafer style and range of sizes make them suitable for a variety of foot shapes and preferences. The product's popularity is reflected in its high sales rank and the sheer volume of positive reviews. Users from different regions and climates have reported satisfaction with the slipper's ability to keep feet warm without causing overheating, thanks to the breathable yet insulating faux fur lining. A recurring theme in user feedback is the slipper's versatility. They're equally at home in the living room, bedroom, or backyard, making them a practical choice for anyone seeking a multi-purpose house shoe. The combination of comfort, durability, and style ensures that the Zigzagger slippers meet the needs of a diverse user base, from retirees seeking relief for tired feet to busy parents needing quick, comfortable footwear for household chores. In summary, the Zigzagger men's slip-on moccasin slippers offer a compelling blend of comfort, warmth, and durability at an accessible price point. The memory foam cushioning and plush faux fur lining provide a luxurious feel, while the sturdy rubber sole ensures longevity and versatility. Fit may require a brief break-in period, especially for those with wider feet, but the end result is a slipper that conforms to the wearer's foot for personalized comfort. Minor issues with the inner lining and breathability are outweighed by the slipper's overall performance and value. If you are searching for a reliable, stylish, and comfortable house shoe that can handle both indoor and outdoor use, the Zigzagger slippers are a top contender. Do not forget to check the link in the description to learn more or make a purchase, and please leave your own review if you have tried these slippers to help others in their decision-making process.